Man, this New Jersey coffee tastes like shit. What's going on, everybody? I'm Dirty Gino. I'm here with Driven District, and we're gonna review this car. It's got a whole bunch of different names, so let's go over it. All right, so this dude told me that it's a Fiat Miata made by Chrysler. It's got a Mopar sticker on it. This car is all messed up, man. I think we need to take it to Maury and find the father. I don't really know what that says, but it's got a scorpion. It's a barfing scorpion. Who knows, but this dude's got to clean this thing, man. Look at all the stuff on the hood. It's got like herpes or something, dude. Like, what's that, like hood herpes? Let's take a look underneath this hood, man. Ow, it's hotter than a crack pipe on payday. Jeez, damn, burned my phalanges off. Look at this engine bay, dude. Dang, it thing is cleaner than your mama's panties. Dang, oh, they got the Garrett turbo. Dude, I bet this thing sneezes worse than my cat allergies. Look at the intake on that thing. That thing's all carbon fiber, man. I bet it's like at least 49 horsepower. The Amish will definitely be jealous about that if they ever saw it. This right here, this one's got the visibility package, man. It makes it sexy like Angelina Jolie's eyes. Yo, this one right here is special because it's got red stitching with the blood of Miata drivers. And if you want to feel real fucking rich and expensive, it even's got headrest speakers, dude. So you can be blaring your boys in the hood while you're flying down the road. Damn, dude! This thing is tighter than Teen Girl on prom night. And you still got more barfing scorpions in here and more blood from Miata riders. Damn! Dude, even you got the blood right in your hand of a Miata driver. 6 gears pulling, dude, for real. Dude, and if you're a drug mule, they even got a secret compartment right behind the seat. Boom! Blast right open. You can put all your drugs back there. Or Skittles, who knows? And talk about giving you just a tip. Dang! That thing is huge! I thought you said this thing was a Abarth or something. Why does it say Spider on it, man? Yo, this thing freaking really needs Maury, man. Dang. This thing is bigger than my wiener. Got a Fiat Club sticker on here. Dude, this thing is more confused than RuPaul. ExtremeContact Sport? What are we talking about, rugby on asphalt, man? Fucking Mopar, Fiat. This thing's all fucked up, dude. This car's pissing me off, man. Pissing me off. Yo, look, the guy behind the camera just told me this is a 1.4 liter engine. That is puny. I drink more than that in an hour of whiskey. Jack Daniels, what's up, my dude? Got iPad in the dash, dude? That thing is rich. Is that iPad? Is that an iPad, right? A spider sitting on the stupid carpet, too? Is this OEM? Let's get this party started, dude. Woohoo! You hear that purr, man? That's a sweet old kitty back there, dude. Tight. This thing is tight, dude. I'm feeling like Marty McFly with this little booster over here. I'm gonna go back in time, son of a bitch. Damn, that sounds like when I eat cheese, bro. That thing was rough. Totally ripping up my boxers, man. Woohoo! There's that cat allergy, man. Hey, you want to race? Race? Dude, that's a Prius. You don't want nothing of this, man. You stink! I got a barfing spider, scorpion, whatever this thing is. Hey, we're here with Driven District. You already upgraded your engine bay. Let's upgrade your wardrobe. Enjoy Boost. Oh, man. Only turbos, and this one you don't have to pay monthly for. Smoke tires, not drugs, but you're probably doing both. Do you even shift? Hashtag save the manuals. And a whole bunch more merch on the website, plus performance parts. Like this Ragazzon exhaust system with these massive tips. Straight out of Italy, because you know she likes that Italian tip.
Yeah.
Holy shit. This thing probably sneezes worse than COVID, dude. Oh, man, I'm itching my ass. Let's check a look underneath the hood. All right, yo, in this one, what car can you shit on?
with this thing.
You got red stitching because it's stitched with the blood of Miata riders. Miata drivers. More blood from Miata. It's like a skinny girl, man. It's got no trunk. I drink more than whiskey than... Isn't a liter a lot?
Or ask Siri.
Here's an answer from AskNumbers.com.
1 gallon is 3.
1 gallon is equal to 3.7.
Dude, the guy behind the guy behind the counter. No, you want to try to run that Prius? Hey, we're here with Driven District, and you're trying to update your fucking stupid fuck. Your fucking thread count, dude. Hey man, Driven District here. You're trying to already upgrade. Yeah, I'm trying to say it. Of course these people have to stop and like watch. Enjoy fucking boost, man. Do you even shift? Hell yeah you do, because we don't drive no girl-o-matics like this Ragazzon exhaust system. Fucking A.
I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car, take it tatted up.